Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see it has some features and the drawing is here. Everything must be in place, but sometimes I have to add some dimensions, but never changing the model, only dimensions. We start by creating this face, this one, using dimensions radius 18, 12, diameter of 180 and 7 holes around this circle. New standard millimeters IPT, sketch, XY, circle, diameter 180. Then another circle with a radius of 18. This must be placed on the circle and on the same horizontal with the center point. Then we draw two lines because we want to create the angle of 360 divided by 7, my friends. These two can be made as construction lines. Then I place here another circle which must be equal to the other one. Then we apply split of this circle because we want to make this and this as construction. Then I trim these arcs and I apply fillet of 12 between this and this. I draw other two lines, this from the starting of the fillet to the starting of the other fillet. Now this is also a 7th slice of the full circle, yes? Finish sketch and I extrude this slice. The dimension is 21 but symmetrical. Okay. Then I place here a hole. This is the face, this is the center, and the diameter is 18. Okay. We have now two features. I apply circular pattern for both, which means all the part. I select the axis, which is this one, and I place 7 as the number of placements. This is the first volume. We continue with this triangular shape or feature, which is placed at a distance from the other. The distance is this one, 118 minus 4 minus 21 minus 14 minus 14. We create a plane placed at 118 minus 4 minus 21 minus 14 minus 14. Okay. We see here that this triangle has another center than the previous one, 21 and 28. This is 21 and this is 28. This point is here. Plane, and we draw a rectangle with dimensions 21 tab 28. This is the center for that triangle, but let me make this construction. Polygon 3 sides centered here, and with this placement, this is horizontal. We have a dimension, this is 63, and radius of 28. Fillet 28 at each corner. Finish sketch, extrude on 22, and I apply the other solution. Okay. Now we have to create this connection between the two features. This is a conical, tronconical shape, 78 with 3 degrees on a side. Be careful, this is the center of the triangle, not this one, the center of the other feature. We select this sketch to be visible, and we work in this plane with a new sketch. F5 to see again where is the point, and we project this point. Here you can see the projection. Then F7, we draw a line from this point to the right, and this is the axis. It must be horizontal. Which means vertical. to here, and we go up. I have to change the visibility, the position. I go here and back to the line, which is the axis, my friends. Perpendicular, this line on the axis. Perpendicular is this on this. This is the axis. This diameter is 78. And the angle is 3 degrees. I have to project also this face to make it collinear with this. Yes, we have a fully constrained sketch. Finish, revolve. There are some closed area there, but now the problem is solved. This must be hidden, as you can see. Now we have to connect these two features with this strong conical feature with dimensions of 78 and 3 degrees. But you must be careful, because it is the center of the triangle, not the center of the other feature. We open the sketch, we make it visible, because we need this point. I create a new plane parallel to this one, which contains this point. Then I project that point in a sketch, F5 to see there. I project this point in this plane, taken from this plane. Now I can hide the sketch because I have the point. I change the view, F7, the point is here, anyone can find it, and I draw a line from that point to this face, then up, slope, and back. This is the axis, and I place that 2 dimensions. This is 78, this is 3 degrees, and there is another constraint which is missing. Which one is? This is. I project this face and I make collinear this 2. Finish sketch, revolve, and we have the new volume. Now we use the same plane because we want to create this extension, which is here, diameter of 90 and distance or thickness of 4, centered on this face. F7, we project this line because we want to have a center. I go here, up, back, and down. I'm not sure this is placed where it must be. It is not, of course. I project this, I make collinear the two. This is the axis and dimensions are 90 and 4. Finish sketch, revolve, okay. I hide this plane and I see that there are two fillets, radius 4 and radius 8. Radius 8 is on both sides. This is 4 plus 8 for this one and this one. Okay, now since we have this face here, we have to create this revolving volume or revolved volume with dimensions 152, 156, 14, 14 and 45 degrees. Good. We use this plane for a new sketch. F7. We draw an axis up, left, and to the face. I'm not sure if it is on that face. It isn't. I project this any zone from there and I make collinear these two. This is the axis, then I apply the diameter of 152 and 156, the angle of 45 degrees, and 14, 14. Finish sketch, revolve, okay. Now we see here another internal volume with the depth of 33 and diameter of 138. We'll be back with this 36 after. 138 on 33. This is the face for a new sketch. 138 diameter, and the depth is 33. Extrude this the other direction, 33. Now there is a cut inside here. You see this contour with a sloped line placed on the face, bottom face of this, and with radius 8 at the end. The centers of this radii are 2 millimeters and 45 millimeters. Let's do this. This is the face. I draw a sloped line. I don't want to be on any other circle. F7, and I create an arc by press the left button here and going to the circle. Here the same. I find the point, I press the left button and I go somewhere on the circle, not on the horizontal, because I apply equal to both. The dimension is 8, the radius is 8, and I make tangent both of them, this here and the other here. As I said, this point is under the horizontal at 2 millimeters. And this is 45. We have a fully constrained sketch, and the depth is the difference between 36 and 33. I don't know what is this difference. I use expressions, my friends. Extrude the other direction at a distance of 36 minus 33. Okay, you see what is that feature. Now we have to create this internal volume. 60 degrees, 25 degrees, 2 millimeters and 10 millimeters on horizontal, and 45 is this. We use the same plane as before, this one, which is the center of this triangular shape. F7, this is the center point. Yes. Line from this midpoint of the face going somewhere. Then I project this line to use it as the end of our axis, because this is the axis. Then I start drawing lines. This is the first, then I go down sloped, I go here and I close this. Dimensions 60 degrees, 25 degrees, 2 millimeters on horizontal here, 10 millimeters on horizontal as well, and 45 is this diameter. We have a fully constrained sketch, revolve with cut. Okay. Now the 3 holes here, they are placed in the centers of these fillets. I don't care about this 140, and the diameter is 28. I select this face, I have centers, I go back, I apply hole of 28 in each center of the fillets, but not through all. I select 2 because I want to go to this face with that holes. Okay, now I think that's all, my friends. Let's see what is the volume of this part. Physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the value is absolutely the same. Cancel. The material is still cast. The aspect is orange, and you can eliminate the edges. I select some faces to be machined. These ones you can select many other. These are still polished. And now let's compare the two. There is no difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.